So let me tell you something. If you feel stuck in urban sketching, it might not be because you can't draw. It might be because you're drawing too much, too much. And welcome back. Today I want to talk about something no one really tells you. Not what to draw, but what not to draw in urban sketching. And trust me, this one thing can change everything. Let's start with the biggest mistake. Don't draw everything you see. Not every window, not every break, not every sign. Urban sketching is not copying reality, it's choosing from it. Urban sketching is about selection, not perfection. Look at this. I tried to draw everything, and honestly, it feels heavy, it feels stressful, and your hand freezes. This is where most people quit. Now look at this one. Same place, same street, but fewer lines, only the main shapes. Only what gives the place its character. And suddenly, the sketch breathes. This is urban sketching. Another important one. Don't chase perfect killing lines. Your lines don't need to be straight. They don't need to be beautiful. They need to be alive. Alive. Shaky lines mean you're abstaining, not failing. This one is huge. Don't start with watercolor. If the structure isn't clear, color won't save it. Press on rest and the form, then add color. Color is decoration, not the foundation. See, just two colors, lows, simple. The drawing still works without the color. Let me say this clearly. If you think you're bad at urban sketching, maybe you're just trying too hard. Sometimes drawing less means seeing more. So here's your challenge. Today, go outside for just 10 minutes. Take a pen, no erasing, no perfection. Don't draw everything. Just choose and enjoy it. I promise it changes how you see. If this helped you, stay with me. We're learning to see the city differently.